This is the Black & Decker toaster that we use at the office, and it's really nice because it has extra large slots for the toast, so you can also toast bagels as well. And here is the settings. You have bagel, frozen, as well as a cancel button too. It's a very easy to push down lever. You have 6 settings from 1 to 6. It's very easy to use, and after a couple of minutes, your toaster bagels will come out. A nice feature that this has is there's a cancel button as well. It also has a crumb catcher, and let me show you a close-up of what that looks like. In the back of the unit, there's crumb catchers, and you can just easily take it out and throw it in the trash. And here's what the other one looks like, which is very helpful and versatile while cleaning. We really like this Black & Decker toaster while we're toasting our bread. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.